Howdy, Inspire Artists! My name is Mia, and today I'm sitting outside and enjoying the nice summer weather where we will be creating a butterfly with paper and paint. Let's dive on in. The materials you'll need for this video are activity sheet number 1, which has this half of a butterfly on it, a sheet of construction paper in any color, some acrylic or tempera paint in white and 2 other colors of your choosing, 2 Q-tips, and a pair of scissors. You can access the activity sheet by scrolling down on this page and clicking the Resource tab. Then, simply download and print the file. Go ahead and pause the video now to do that. Alright, Inspire Artists, it's go time! Take your activity sheet and place it on top of your construction paper so that all the corners and edges line up. Then, fold them both along the dotted line in the middle of the paper, hamburger style. Take your scissors and begin cutting out the butterfly along the solid black line. Always point your scissors away from you when you're cutting so you don't get poked. Alright, and now it's all cut out. Go ahead and set the activity sheet and extra construction paper aside. We won't need those anymore. And now we have a perfectly purple symmetrical butterfly. Gotta make sure those wings are ready for takeoff. And now we'll begin decorating. Take one of your Q-tips and dip it in your first color. I chose ultramarine blue. And begin patterning your butterfly's wings on one side. Butterflies all have beautifully unique wing patterns, so this part is really all up to your imagination. I covered my wings with lots of blue shapes, some long, some short, some big, some small. It may help to have a reference photo open while you paint, so you can get inspired by nature. Then, taking my other clean Q-tip, I dip it in my vermilion red and add some more final designs on the tips of the wings. You can also blend the colors a bit if you'd like. Now, with the paint still wet, fold your butterfly in half. Rub along the wings to make sure the paint is getting all around, and voila! We have an awesome mirrored butterfly. The wet paint simply does half the work for you. I also decided I wanted a couple more blue dots, so I add those in and press down again. Finally, take a clean end of one of your Q-tips and dip it in your white paint. Go along the edges of the wings and dot on as many white spots as you'd like. Gently fold and press your butterfly together once more and trace the edges of the wings to smush that paint around. Open it up and bam! A beautiful summer butterfly. Be sure to let your creation dry before playing with it or hanging it up around your house. I hope you guys had fun today, happy summer, and we'll see you next time. Bye friends!